Welcome. In this video, I will show you how to hard reset your TECNO Spark 20 Pro Plus smartphone using recovery mode. So first of all, we're gonna have to turn off the device. If your device is frozen, you can force shut down it by holding down power button and volume up keys for about 10 seconds until your screen goes black. Otherwise, you can turn it off normally by holding down the power button and selecting power off option on your screen. Once your device goes off, you're gonna have to press and hold the volume up key and the power button. If you have previously forced shut down your device and your screen went black, all you have to do is just release the power button and keep holding the volume up key. Okay, let's press these two buttons together. Then once the phone vibrates, keep holding the volume up key, releasing the power button. You will see the no command message on your screen. To skip it, you're gonna have to short press the power button, and while pressing it, click the volume up key, so like this. Now, using volume keys to navigate and power button to select, we're gonna have to scroll down to wipe data / factory reset option and press power. Scroll down to factory data reset, press power once again, and then once the locks appeared at the bottom of the screen, we can press button the last time to reboot our system. Then just wait until the factory reset operation is finished. And once you see the language selection screen, your smartphone is fully reset. And that's it for this video. Thank you for watching it. If it helped you, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.